Welcome to Highway Herald, your roadmap to the latest in auto. Today, we're tackling a critical question. Are electric vehicles truly the cost-effective solution they're often claimed to be? While EVs are celebrated as the future of the automotive industry, hidden repair costs are frustrating many owners. From exorbitant repair bills to soaring insurance premiums, we'll uncover the true expenses of maintaining an EV. Buckle up as we explore 7 key reasons why EVs may not be as repair-friendly as enthusiasts think. Reason number 7, the $17,000 bumper dent dilemma. Electric vehicles are often celebrated for their low maintenance, but accidents reveal a different story. A minor dent can lead to exorbitant repair costs due to the premium materials used in EVs. For example, a Tesla Model S owner faced a shocking $17,000 bill for a simple bumper dent caused by a neighbor, highlighting how small accidents can escalate into significant financial burdens. These high costs stem from the use of materials like aluminum, which, while lightweight and efficient, are challenging to repair. Specialized techniques and equipment are typically only available at authorized service centers, driving costs higher. Moreover, other manufacturers are adopting similar expensive materials, meaning that even minor scratches or dents can result in bills that may make potential buyers reconsider their EV investments. Reason number 6, battery replacement, the ultimate headache. While dealing with a dent can be frustrating, nothing unnerves EV owners like the thought of a battery replacement. Batteries, the heart of electric vehicles, come with a hefty price tag. Although some warranties cover replacements, unexpected issues, such as damage from minor accidents, often leave owners facing bills ranging from $7,000 to an eye-watering $30,000. In some cases, battery replacement costs can even exceed the vehicle's value. The situation is worsened by the absence of affordable third-party alternatives and high labor costs, leaving many owners reliant on dealerships with exorbitant prices. For example, BMW Y3 owners have been quoted over $70,000 for a battery replacement, emphasizing the financial burden. As EVs age, the inevitability of battery replacements raises concerns about their long-term financial viability for owners. Reason number 5, manufacturer-exclusive parts, a repair monopoly. A lesser-known challenge of EV ownership is the heavy reliance on manufacturer-sourced parts. Unlike traditional internal combustion engine vehicles, which benefit from a range of third-party parts, most EV components can only be obtained directly from the manufacturer. This lack of competition drives prices up, forcing owners to pay top dollar even for simple replacements. Consider the case of a Renault Zoe owner in the UK, who faced a nearly £7,500, around $10,000 bill for a burned-out charging unit. This repair cost exceeded the vehicle's value, leaving him financially stranded. Many EV owners experience similar situations where repair costs far surpass their car's worth. This dependence on manufacturer parts not only inflates repair expenses, but also leads to long wait times for parts, often leaving owners without their vehicles for weeks or months. Before we delve deeper, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe to Highway Herald. Your support fuels our passion to create more content like this. Now let's explore reason number 4, soaring labor costs. Expertise comes with a hefty price tag. Repairing an electric vehicle involves not just parts, but also specialized knowledge and training, leading to significantly higher labor costs than for traditional vehicles. Technicians must undergo extensive training to safely handle high-voltage batteries and complex electrical systems, resulting in labor charges that can exceed those for internal combustion engine repairs by 30% or more. This disparity arises from the relative newness of EV technology. While mechanics for traditional vehicles have decades of experience, EV repairs remain niche. Consequently, there are fewer qualified technicians, and certified ones often demand higher wages. Dealerships pass these increased costs onto consumers, making routine maintenance more expensive. Moreover, the scarcity of independent EV repair shops limits options for affordable labor, forcing many owners to rely on authorized dealerships, which further inflates overall ownership costs. Reason number 3, the charging challenge. What to do when your EV won't charge. For many electric vehicle owners, charging their cars is as simple as plugging them in overnight. However, charging problems can be more common than expected, leading to staggering repair costs. One Renault Zoe owner faced a shocking $10,000 bill after a malfunctioning charging unit left him stranded, nearly double the car's value. Charging issues can stem from faulty connectors and damaged charging ports, both crucial for the vehicle's operation and often requiring urgent repairs. Unfortunately, fixing these problems is neither cheap nor straightforward. The proprietary nature of EV parts and the lack of third-party alternatives mean even minor issues can escalate into major expenses. While the charging infrastructure is improving, individual charging failures continue to be a significant headache for EV owners, especially in areas with limited repair options, highlighting the hidden costs of EV ownership. Reason number 2, the fast-tracking depreciation. EVs lose value rapidly. One of the most frustrating aspects of owning an electric vehicle is the rapid depreciation many models face. While all cars lose value over time, EVs often depreciate faster than gas-powered counterparts. This decline is largely due to the swift evolution of EV technology. New models with better range, quicker charging, and enhanced features are released annually, making older models less attractive. Early adopters of the Nissan Leaf or Chevy Bolt have seen their vehicle values plummet as newer options hit the market. This swift depreciation means owners may find themselves underwater on loans or stuck with vehicles worth significantly less than their original prices. Though depreciation is normal in vehicle ownership, for EV owners, it can feel particularly harsh, leading many to question whether their investment was truly worthwhile. Reason number 1, rising insurance costs. Insurance companies have assessed that electric vehicles carry higher risks than traditional cars, leading to steadily increasing insurance premiums. This added expense is primarily driven by the exorbitant repair costs associated with EVs. Repairing electric vehicles can be very expensive due to the high cost of parts, labor, and their inherent complexity. Even minor accidents can result in substantial insurance claims, which companies pass on to consumers through higher premiums. Additionally, the specialized nature of EV repairs often leads to many cars being declared total losses after relatively minor damage, further increasing insurance costs. For prospective EV owners, the combination of steep repair costs and rising premiums can be a major deterrent. With no signs of these costs decreasing, insurance remains a significant financial burden for those considering electric vehicles. The verdict: are EVs truly worth it? After delving into the hidden costs of EV ownership, the pressing question remains: are electric vehicles truly worth it? While EVs boast undeniable advantages such as lower emissions and reduced fuel expenses, the financial reality of ownership can be far more intricate. From exorbitant repair costs to swift depreciation and climbing insurance premiums, many owners are discovering that their electric dream cars may feel more like a financial burden. The reality is that while EV technology is advancing rapidly, the supporting infrastructure for affordable repairs and maintenance is lagging behind. Until more cost-effective third-party parts become available, and a greater number of repair shops gain the expertise to service these vehicles, EV owners will continue to face high expenses that may lead them to reconsider their decision to go electric. So, with all these factors in mind, do you think electric vehicles are truly worth the investment? Have you experienced any of these hidden costs or frustrations as an EV owner? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to Highway Herald for the latest vehicle updates and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and see you next time.